Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new AI image generator that is completely free, with no credit restrictions like you see in Leonardo and other image generator models. Head over to your browser and search for PicLumen. Click on the first link, and it will take you to their website. Click on Get Started Free and log in with your Google account. You'll be whisked away to the main page, where you can see the artwork of other creators. From the left sidebar, click on Create. In the prompt box, you'll enter your description. At the top of this box, there's a model drop-down, where you can choose from different types of models. Realistic V2 lets you create images in a realistic style. The next one is the anime model, which allows you to create anime-style images. The best model they have is Flux Schnell. By the way, Schnell means fast in German. This model lets you create fantastical and realistic images very quickly, based on your text prompts. Next, you can change the aspect ratio of the images, as they offer various ratios. The next setting is the number of images. You can generate up to 4 images at a time. On the right side of the prompt box, we have advanced settings. For example, you can specify what you don't want in your images. They also have a CFG scale. If you increase it, the model will strictly follow your prompt. Then we have the steps. The more steps, the more detailed the images. And lastly, there's the seed value. It's like a random number that helps generate unique results. Now, let's try a prompt. You can enhance the prompt by clicking here. If you write a prompt in another language, you can also convert it to English by clicking here. Hit Generate, and man, the images it generates look amazing. The details are just stunning. Now let's try the anime model. I'll use a prompt describing a guy with sharp facial features. Hit Generate, and the images it provides look awesome. I didn't even enter any negative prompts, but the model automatically filters certain elements. By clicking here, you can download the image. You can also remove the background with just a click, and it even lets you upscale the image, making it look even better. Finally, let's try one of their best models, Flux Schnell. Enter the prompt, hit Generate, and wow, the image it generates is stunning. If we compare all the models, this one is definitely the top dog. And that's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Have an awesome day.